live on the most beautiful planet. The idea of nature, at times used to express the wilderness. From condensed form of a cloud of gases. We have learned to evolve, in many ways, over the period of times. But the times have changed constantly. Nature of mankind constantly evolved to adapt to changing circumstances. Situations that changes from micro to macro in minutes, within no time. Wilderness, lives at the edge of civilization. Humans can encounter wilderness in very few selected places. On Earth, as we rolled along with time, we have learned to create, invent, innovate. As we evolved, we invented tools. Tools that creates tools. We used the tools we created for build and reinvent. We used the same tools to cut the life forms for our convenience. The same tool that created for the purpose of creation also lead to the destruction of our ecosystem. Not all is doom and gloom. We are beginning to understand the natural world and are gaining a reverence for life. All life. We all must realize that the clearest way into the universe is through a forest, through nature. We all must realize that Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed.